Zinnia is known for its love and endurance for the hot weather. Give them heat, still they bloom. As you can see, temperature today is 50 degrees Celsius, and Zinnia, along with some other hardies, is doing quite well. Zinnia are native to Mexico, but here in Pakistan, they have appeared to found another home. Extreme temperatures of our region can bear resemblance to that of Arizona's. If you are from Arizona, forget planting cactuses in your garden. Give zinnia shady room in your garden and they flourish. Direct sun, however, might burn it. Besides, you can also grow Lithuania, Masrose, and Vinca as much successful as zinnia. Thank you for watching.